What is going on, everybody? WWE Rules here, doing another reaction video. Sorry I haven't done one in a couple days. It's been kind of crazy around here. But anyway, I'm going to be reacting to My Little Pony Spike Belches a Wormhole. This was requested by Mohammed Mustafa. Thank you so much for the request, and let's get this going, shall we? Alrighty. Holy Junkie presents a YouTube poop he made while he was drunk with his brother. Using elements from all these different animation stock sounds, visual, and all that crazy shit. I'm Twilightlicious, y'all jelly. Wait. What?
Hey, welcome to the animation show.
What the heck?
Welcome to the animation show. An international
Seriously, I find it difficult to make this any more hilarious than it already is.
Please refrain from any animation during the duration of the animation.
What? Oh my god.
The animation show ever created by human beings.
Greatest animation show.
Animated animation, animations,
What the
animations, make it into the animation show. And remember.
Okay, get on with this already.
No smoking and no flash photography. Now,
No flash photography.
Go on out to the lobby and patronize this theater. I want some licorice sticks or some
Whoa.
pumpkin pie. And remember.
Is this MLP or what is this? Oh, there we go. Well, you okay there, Spike? Ouch! Whoa, who was that? Oh, what's with these explosions? Whoa, what was that? Whoa.
I got nothing.
What? Whoa. Who the hell is that? Uh-oh. What's gonna happen?
Looks like I'm gonna have to find
Die, Spike.
This won't end well.
Oh my god! Oh my god, that was hilarious! I'm sorry. Whoa, what the hell? Oh my god.
Now wait a minute. Just because I don't have it now.
What? Whoa. What's going on?
Really? Because I've got so many wonderful choices at my house. Oh, and I know you'll just.
Whoa.
And you'll be best friends forever and ever.
What's gonna happen? Oh, heavy.
Now, Rainbow, my dear, I cannot express my delight. Clear that somewhere out here is a
Bitch.
I can't wait to
That troll face.
But first let me set a few rules. It's of utmost importance the pet that I get is something that's wholesome and cool. Cool. I have so many wonderful choices, just wait you will see.
Bullshit. Turtle.
How about a turtle? They're cutesy and bootsy and quick as can be. Cutesy, bootsy, and even mad.
Oh!
You've been trolled, you have probably been told.
Oh god.
Fly to the sky, he is just getting a rise out of you. Yes, it's true, you respond and that's his cue to start trouble on the double while he strokes his manly stubble. You've been trolled,
What?
You should probably just fold when the only winning move is not to play. And yet you keep on trying, mindlessly replying. You've been trolled. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. No, Fluttershy. Oh, no, Rainbow Dash. No. Whoa. Turtles. Turtle. Turtle power!
I'm a turtle. 10 feet of air when he breaches the water. That's it. I'm out of here. Wait, there must be
A million pounds of tube steak.
Tube stick? What the f...
turtle or two turtle. Bigger and cooler. Bigger, cooler.
No more turtle.
Tree dash. Feature new fabulous facts.
What?
Just as turtle. Not just any turtle.
Sissy, what's with the turtles?
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
I like turtles.
Yeah, I can tell.
You think I have plenty of wonderful creatures who soar in the sky?
Oh no, Fluttershy exploded.
Turtle, they're a giant
Uh, Pac-Man?
How about a turtle?
Swag.
Turtle or a turtle?
Sissy with these turtles and explosions. Oh man.
Turtle. Perhaps what you need is a dark and mysterious turtle. Now you're
Seriously, stop with the turtle already.
Do you want to see the rabbits, David?
What?
I am the cheese.
Whoa. What?
This is the best game of 2004!
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go
Wait,
to the
that
lobby.
sounds familiar.
Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat. Delicious things to eat. The popcorn can't be beat.
What is this from? What is this from?
Sparkling drinks are just dandy.
I've heard this somewhere. Oh god, I can't. Well, nuke. Goodbye, everybody. What? What? Hey, there you go, folks.